Roswell milk, the old century watermelon. Look right here, pedestrian bridge. They're having prom out here, so stay tuned. Welcome to the channel. Let's show y'all some shit.
Vicky, where are your kids, baby? Are you gonna wear them?
Roswell, prom of y'all.
That's exciting. Yeah, and my dad.
I remember those days. I remember those days. They cool. They cool. They show us this and this is where we want to end up. That's it. You look cute with that little green thing, girl. Huh? Look cute with that green thing. She won't go down there. She won't be adventurous. She won't go down. You want to go down? We can go down there right there. I won't go to the waterfall, but if you want to go right here, we can go right here.
But we would have to go all the way around to reach the one of the safe way, right?
Midnight catch us, boo.
Not last night catch us in the woods.
You want to tell the world?
No heels this time.
No heels this time.
Rolling, still, walk. They have lot of them. I'm already fucked up again.
We busted the lip.
We bust the left.
Hey, elevation 620. We already high. Look at it. Ooh, look at that big brick. Watch out for that big brick. We're going on the water, boo.
That must be Lake Lanier, y'all.
Hi, Paul.
I don't know what the hell going on, y'all, but we here by the grace of God. I scared to move. I scared to move. And I'm just stuck. Hey, you know how when the cockroaches come on, I'm stuck. When the light come on, they're like, I ain't moving. Let's see where the bottom at. Oh, hell no. Yeah. And this sign right here, you say
That was a tragedy.
falling and shit.
All right.
And I just don't want to move.
Not to be able to go.
Oh my God. You alright?
You got gut juice.
Yeah. I just scared to move,
I
y'all.
got my socks in the water. Fuck that.
I don't got no grip. Yo, this is so scary. I ain't never been scared like this in my life. You hear me, Tony? I ain't never been this scared in my life. I just feel like I just want to lay down. Remember I tell you when it gets dark in the forest? I just want to lay down. At this point,
Yeah.
I don't trust this at all. Because you know I'm a fast walker. I can't do this. Or what? I can't move.
I done fall and bust my ass.
Yeah,
Look like
I
I'm
can't.
having a hard
I
time.
can't move.
Can't move.
I can't move.
And I'm gonna put on salt and everything. No more real.
No. She's trying to, I think she's trying to get right here. Y'all, she's trying to get right here?
Angel
Oh, Lord. Okay, I gotta move.
Make me my fall right there.
All right.
The real gold.
Why you had to move?
Oh, that one rock.
You was my cover.
That one rocking, y'all. I got that record button pressing all the
I
way.
can see how deep it is now. Just keep going.
I going in the water for this vlog, boy.
I am, but I gotta see how the next person do. See how deep it is. Huh? Why you got this? Why you got this? You got this phone, y'all. Hey.
Oh, baby. Hey. It's okay, y'all. I made it.
You can tell he a sunny sucker. Hey! You can tell he a sunny sucker.
I'm an adventurous guy. And the mic's still working. Look, the green light's still on. So the mic's still working.
Alright.
Mic not fall in the water world.
Yeah.
You want to say something to the people? I mean, we're name up. Mike.
Yo, what's up? What's going on, camera? We out here at Roswell doing our thing, enjoying nature,
I
man.
don't need that phone. I don't have
Yes,
my
sir,
phone.
Ski.
Look at the car.
I ain't gonna lie, I bust my ass earlier.
Man,
This joint's slippery.
Put the phone back.
I don't even know what to say. I go cap.
Serious?
But it jump fire.
Stuck with a phone.
My second time out here. I love it, bro. She bust her ass too. That shit was funny. But she's okay, so that's good.
Make it free, y'all. Make it free.
Yes, sir, Ski.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. That's how they get up. Okay, that's how they get up, boo. Hold on. She wants me to pass the food, yo. I pass the food.
Yeah, just sit down. Perfect.
Fuck it! I'm tired of falling. Oh, boy. Always remember to hydrate yourselves.
That's the omen. You need to go and get that Dobbins ATL today. Fuck them.
I'm trying to become one with that pelican over there. We soak our ass in the water. We fall in the water. We had a good time. Right.
Huh?
We soaking up the air with the pelican, baby.
What's up, bro?
Y'all make sure I subscribe to the channel.
Top of the waterfall.
popular
That's how
tourist
calm
attraction.
that water is right now.
Oh yeah, my sister called me.
Calm.
7 o'clock and people still coming out here. The boy scared.
Roswell mode.
We
Victory
didn't even
poop.
need the towel.
And it, we drying off already. We're gonna walk off into the sunset.
Auntie need to do what?
Exercise mode. Going down is the best part.
Y'all make sure y'all come to Victory Creek. We had a good time.
Yeah. I'm injured, but I'm good.
Out the Asheville video, she wear hiking boots, y'all.
Don't wear that shit out here.
Hey, not today.
Place. I think that's the way we should go on for our age level.
Up our age level.
First time?
First time.
My first time, bro. All the way down there, it's a waterfall.
Yeah, that's what we just leave. That's what we just leave from. Yeah, we've been in the water and shit. I done fall, bust my ass. Alright, all kind of shit. Yeah, me and the wife ain't even gonna come down here. Alright, I've been vlogging this shit. I got a little camera right there. We might go too, right? From Charleston, South Carolina.
Yeah, that's where I want to move to.
What?
I've been out here in Atlanta for like 3 years.
I'm gonna screenshot that shit. Cause you know ain't no service out here. Wow.
I'll set my camera up too.
Give me a friend. Roswell Mo. Subscribe to the channel. Tony Rex checking out.
Lady and Tony Frick, like, subscribe, and comment.
You gotta catch up to your boo. Yeah. I'm out here too. Look at that.
Mom,
Beautiful.
Read, pause, and read.
we did it.
We did it. We did it, boo.
He said we was gonna stay on this trip.
We meet some new friends. Some boy burned down this place. Electric generator. Pause and read. Pause and read. Tables out here like a motherfucker. This is beautiful. Wife walking slow.
On your back.
Carry you on my back. You can't move? Boy, you all the way back there, boy. That's the way we walked around earlier. Let's call park back this way.
No, it was gonna be some bullshit because we supposed to went that way, the way we came in. Now we gotta jump the fence. Pray for us. You know, end up like young Scooter, because Scooter was 38 too now.
Oh shit.
Around, jump the fence and fucking-
And I'm like, young
Oh, too soon?
too soon.
My bad.
Too soon.
I'm
Too
trying
soon,
to
young
squeeze
Scooter.
me.
That's little ass fence. She thought some young Scooter. Ooh, she jumping here. She okay. She okay. She
Driving,
made it.
running.